Let me guess, you're wondering what I am making in this beautiful earthen cookware. So let's make things easy for you. I am making a nice tangy raw mango chutney, which is very seasonal for summers. In the summer season, raw mango has its own charm, and I do make a lot of recipes from raw mango. This is one of them. This recipe is very versatile, I tell you. It can be used as side dishes, as a main dish with idlis, dosas. Can also be enjoyed with some parathas, rotis, in sandwiches, wraps, and also, as I have served in this video, I had made some steaming white rice with some yellow dal and aloo bharta. And all time favorite, this chutney. This combination is sure to die for. Do try this combination and let me know how your chutney turned out. And yes, I had almost forgotten, you can store this chutney in fridge for around 7 to 10 days. That's the best part, I think. So give it a try and let me know how it turned out. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin with this yummy recipe. So for this recipe, first I need to saute a few items. I have taken a beautiful nice earthen cookware, added some mustard oil, and to this I will be adding some Bengal Gram or Chana Dal for tempering, around 1 tablespoon. Cumin seeds I will be adding around 1 teaspoon. Some mustard seeds, black mustard seeds around 1 teaspoon. These are all the basic tempering, but the addition to this is black pepper. It's around 1 teaspoon. And now I just need to saute this on medium flame for around a minute or so. And then here I am using Byadgi or red chili, Kashmiri red chili, 2 whole. If you do not have this, then you can also use Kashmiri red chili powder at the end, because if you add the powder at this time, it may burn. So as because I am using whole chilies, I have added here some green chilies also I have added. And then to enhance the flavoring goes some curry leaves, a large garlic pod, and half a cup of shallots. These have a very peculiar taste. If you don't have these shallots, you can replace them with 1 large onion, but if you have this, do use this, and these are very seasonal for summer. This gives a very nice taste. Saute for around 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame, and then after sauteing I'll add Heeng around 1/4 teaspoon, and these are roasted Bengal Gram Chana Dal, roasted, often known as chutney dal, around 1/4 cup. This gives a nice base, and after adding this roasted Chana Dal, saute for 2 to 3 minutes more on medium flame, and after 2 to 3 minutes switch off the flame. Let it be on gas for 1 to 2 minutes till it slightly cools down, and then I will be adding fresh grated coconut half cup. If you do not have fresh grated coconut, you can always use dry coconut powder or dry coconut, because that gives a very different taste. But if you have fresh grated coconut, do prefer to use them, and wait till it cools down. Once it cools down, I will transfer it to blender in batch wise. So here I have added half a batch of the prepared mixture, and here I have total taken 1 cup of raw mangoes. It would be around 150 grams. So this I'll add little by little. Some salt I'll add, black salt half a teaspoon, and water half a cup I'll add, and entire thing I'll make a nice smooth paste. So this is the raw mango flavored chutney. The taste and smell is just wow. And for the tempering, basic tempering, some mustard oil I have heated. You can also replace it with some coconut oil, some cumin seeds, and the basic tempering of mustard seeds, 2 green chili. You can also replace it with some red chili whole, but I prefer green chili, and curry leaves. That's it. Very simple tempering. And once it starts to splutter, I'll just add this on top of this, and it's done. Tasty tempered raw mango chutney is ready to be served. You can't believe this taste. Do try once, and then you will be in love with the flavors of this dish. And as I have served it with some hot steaming rice with simple dal and aloo chokha or potato bharta or Indian style mashed potatoes with this chutney, imagine a hot summer afternoon with a simple thali of delicious lunch with all the flavors that will heal your soul. And as I had already mentioned, this chutney can be made and stored for around 7 to 10 days in fridge. So this recipe surely calls for a try. I love all the combinations of this dish. As I said, you can also have it with sandwiches, with dosas, idlis, upma. So do try and let me know. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Abha. She writes, "Hello ma'am, I just love your idea. I tried this in my son's birthday. Then everyone praised me. Thanks a lot. God bless you ma'am." Thank you so much Abha. She has actually commented on the recipe of a kids birthday platter combo. So I'm so glad you liked it, because those birthday platters combos was already tried and executed by me. So I just thought to share with you, and so glad you liked it. Thank you for letting me know. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, do give this delicious raw mango chutney a try. If you have loved my effort, loved my video, do not forget to subscribe to my page and share with your family and friends. You can also follow Shoes Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.